Do you want to know how you can log into your Santander Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Santander Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar and then search for Santander Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Santander. Now what you need to do is scroll down and click log on, or you can see log on the top of your screen on the right hand side. So click on any one of them and it will take you to the official login portal of Santander Mortgage. Now you can choose the type of account you own. Some of the types are personal, business and corporate. Click on it and then you can see that there are options of writing down the personal ID and security number. So go ahead and choose the type of account you have. Write down your personal ID, your social security number, and then what you need to do is click login. And if you are using a public or shared device, click on this link. And if you want your browser to remember your personal ID the next time you log in, click remember my personal ID. Then click log on and then you can sign in to your Santander Mortgage account. If you have forgotten your details, click on this link and then you can recover back your account again. If you still don't have an online banking account or a Santander Mortgage account, click this link and create yourself an account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Santander Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.